In this video, I will show you how to set up the Amazon Echo Show 5.
Hi there. Welcome to your new Echo Show. I'm excited to show you a few things that you may not have tried yet.
Make sure you stay to the end of the video, where I will also show you some useful tips and tricks that you won't want to miss. After you plug your Echo in, it will show you a startup animation, and it will ask you to select your device language. I will select English.
Hello, ready for setup?
It will ask you if you want to set up accessibility options.
Would you like to turn on vision accessibility features? Swipe right or left to hear the options.
I will skip this step, however you may find these options useful, so make sure you select either option if it's right for you. It will then ask you to select your Wi-Fi network. So select your network and enter your password. After a short while, it should connect to your network. You will then need to log into your Amazon account. If you don't have one, you will need to create one on the Amazon website. You may also have to enter a two-factor code if this is enabled. The Echo should then show a greeting screen. Press continue. You should now select your time zone. Mine's already selected, so I'll press continue, but if you want to select it, press the button to choose what's right for you. If you want more personalised information, such as the local weather, you will also have to enter your address. You will also be asked to select the room the Echo is in. This is to help with your smart home. For example, if the Echo was in the kitchen and you asked it to turn off a light, it would know it's a kitchen light without you having to say, turn off the kitchen light. Mine is in the lounge. You should then name your device. I will just call mine Show 5. You can then choose your display. I like the nature wallpapers, but there's plenty to choose from. If you have children, you might want to make your device child friendly. I'm going to say no to that for now. Sometimes you get offers at this step, so this one's offering me a free Audible trial.
This device is ready. Hi there. Welcome to your new Echo Show. I'm excited to show you a few things that you may not have tried yet. Let's get started. You can broadcast a message on all of your devices, like an intercom. I won't actually send out this announcement, but try saying, "Announce dinner's ready." Okay, let's move on to the next one. I can keep track of the things you want to buy at the store by adding them to your shopping list. Just say things like, "Add milk to my shopping list."
Alexa, add milk to my shopping list.
Okay, I've added milk to your shopping list. You can manage items in your shopping list at the end of this introduction either by asking me or through your mobile app.
And you're done. The Echo is now set up and ready to use. As promised, here's a few tips. The first one is, you can cover the camera at the top by sliding, so the camera is now uncovered and the camera's covered. There is also a button at the top so you can mute your microphone so you know the Echo can't hear you. One of the first things I like to do when it's set up is check the weather. Alexa, what's the weather forecast?
Right now in Walton-on-the-Naze, it's 10 degrees Celsius with partly sunny skies. Tonight's forecast is clouds, with a low of 9 degrees. Would you also like the current humidity?
No. Another really useful tip is setting up your smart home devices. If you've got any, you need to link them first, so just do a search. Alexa, find my smart home devices.
Starting discovery. This will take a few moments. Turn on your new devices now, and if needed, put them in pairing mode. I found one device, a Fire TV. To connect this device, go to the Alexa app and tap on Devices.
To get to the settings, just scroll down from the top of the screen. From here, you can go to your settings, change your brightness, set alarms. You can also control your smart home, so if you press smart home, you'll see all your devices. you can control them with the touch of a button. Make sure you check out the next video where I show you multiple tips and tricks for your Echo Show. Thanks for watching. Bye.